Shall we open the door, Mr. Ranger, and start our day? Okay, let's go, boo-boos. Oh, yeah. Oh, Mr. Scratchy. So yes, folks, this is my view from the old VW bus. Just good old countryside. Good old countryside. Good morning. Happy super duper. Ooh, it's cold. Happy, come on, it's inside. Oh, okay, I'll help you up. Oh, yeah. Dappy Sunday. Hope all is well, swell, and totally hip and groovy. Totally hip and groovy in your neck of the woods. Just getting our day started and whatnot. Just had some kind coffee talk here in the old VW bus with my friends Gomez Adams and my friend Eric Walker. Just hanging out, chit-chatting, and of course you folks that checked it out later on vicariously. So yep, me and Ranger Dog are just kind of slowly getting stuff around. I still got more coffee to drink, and I was watching some YouTube videos and whatnot. So without further ado, let's get this most groovy Sunday fun day started. Shall we? Do da do da do da do do da do do. Come on, Mr. Ranger Dog. Come on, Mr. Ranger Dog. It's on the chilly side. It's on the chilly side. Alrighty, friends, Mr. Ranger Dog and I are on our way to the laundromat. I decided to go to a closer laundromat this afternoon. Yours truly decided just to hang out in the VW bus this morning, and then I actually fell asleep, took myself a little nap, woke up, had a little lunch, and now I'm on my way into beautiful Yukon, Oklahoma to the laundromat there and get my laundry done. Got me a little bit of sweet and sour pork for the evening. Yes, yes. Alrighty, friends, Mr. Ranger Dog and I are done doing our laundry, our shopping. I only had to grab a couple things, some trash sacks, and some Rangers chicken and rice food, and just a couple things. And I got done with my laundry, and I seen a little Chinese restaurant right around the corner. I was like, heck it, sweet and sour pork sounds good. So that's what I got, and that's the dealio. Now we're on our way back to grub down and relax. It's been just a relaxing Sunday, which is really groovy in my books. Alrighty, beautiful people, I'll see you when I see you. Ooh, a little Chinese food time in the old VW bus. What do you think, Mr. Ranger? Got your din down there. I'm going to see a little bit of a chaotic mess. The joys of van life. When you live in a tiny space, you utilize all your space, but when you kind of clean and rearrange, everything looks so chaotic. But yeah, this is where I keep my dry foods and Rangers canned food. Boy, isn't that a beautiful Oklahoma sunset? Just straight up countrified beautifulness right there. Find your balance. Great words for life. It really is. Find your balance in life. Find your balance in anything, really. Check that Oklahoma sunset out. Ain't that beautiful? What do you think, Mr. Ranger Dog? He's just doing his Ranger Dog thing. I think there's something underneath there. He's like, what is it? Bunny rabbit or something. So I've been thinking different ways of going about this situation with the phone company. It's always a phone situation, the data issue with Simple Mobile. And I think until I figure it all out on what I want to do, so I'm going to roll with the punches. I think every other day I'll just upload an edited vlog, and in between I'll upload an unedited vlog. So I'll still be doing a daily type 2 vlog. So like, let's say tomorrow I'll upload an edited vlog, or tonight when this gets uploaded. So tonight would be an edited vlog, and then tomorrow, Monday, would be just an unedited, dealio, saying hello or whatnot, and or maybe a stop on Route 66, I don't know. And then Tuesday would be an edited vlog, and then Wednesday an unedited vlog, and then Thursday an edited vlog, and then Friday and so on and so on. And also with my coffee talk, I think what I'll do is Monday through Friday I will upload in the mornings, like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. I'll upload in the mornings, me kind of chit-chatting, utilizing the Simple Mobile phone, because I can upload video from this and use the unlimited data. It's the mobile hotspot that gets me. So, and then on Friday mornings have live coffee talk from the old VW bus on like Friday mornings. So I think that's the plan. I think I'm gonna roll with the punches and just try it that away. I don't know. I just been thinking about it. And then Saturdays, I don't know. I'll figure it out as it comes along. Like I say, I just roll with the punches. But at sunset, that's just a beautiful, beautiful sunset. It still blows my mind that I live in a 1970 VW bus that I've owned 18 years, but living in it doesn't really blow my mind as much as that I commute back and forth in a 2013 Volkswagen Jetta. So, amazes me, still to this day. It's been a heck of a week. Look forward to the next week coming up. Every day's an adventure, it really is. So, alrighty folks, alrighty. Mr. Ranger Dog and I are gonna settle in for the evening and all that groovy jazz until I see you beautiful people tomorrow. Monday. Be kind to one another. Love one another. Be grateful. Just be grateful for every single moment of the day. I'm Mr. Ranger. Peace. Love. And Volkswagen grease.